Hi, my name is Kai Armstrong, and I'm the Senior Product Manager for the Code Review Group here at GitLab. Today, I'm here to talk to you about what's upcoming in the GitLab 15 release and what the Code Review Group will be working on. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'll walk through just a few things that we're excited about. So the first one up is merge requests that require my attention. So this is something we've been working on for a few milestones now, and we've talked about in other kickoff videos. We're getting really close on this. And if you were on GitLab.com about 2 weeks ago, it was on for a few days and you got to experience sort of what we're after and what we're doing here. So we're really excited about this feature and bringing the ability to sort of tell people who are involved in the merge request, whether they're a reviewer, an approver, the author, or other people, that the MR is waiting on them and that it needs their attention in order to keep moving that MR forward. So some of the feedback we got while it was on for a few days was that there's a lot of automation that we built into attention requests in order to make that experience more seamless as part of the review flow to either request attention or remove attention from people that are participating based on the actions they're taking. And so we're going to make a few tweaks here and remove some of the automated behaviors and add some additional UI elements to make it more clear what's going on. And so we're going to be working on that right at the very beginning of the 15.0 milestone to get that shipped. And then we'll turn this back on GitLab.com, and hopefully we'll have this on entirely for the GitLab 15 release towards the end of the month. So this is the first thing we're working on. Keep an eye on it for GitLab.com, and then certainly keep an eye out for self-managed releases following that. The next one we're working on is also something we've been talking about for a while, and this is restructuring the merge widget, the MR merge widget. And so this is the actual widget area where you click the merge button. And so currently it's sort of structured like this, where you hit merge, you can delete source branch, there might be squash, commit messages are down below, and there's sort of all these things happen below the fold of the merge button. And what we're changing here is we want it to work more like a form, but also be significantly more informative about what's going on and allow you to select these options ahead of time, tell you what's going to happen, what issues might be closed, and then click this merge button. And so we're really close on this one as well, and hopefully we'll get this into 15. And this will really improve the experience and the information architecture around the merge button so that you know what's going to happen when you click that, and there aren't any surprises or any things that you weren't expecting to happen there. The last one I want to talk about is for VS Code. And so this shifts gears a little bit. We have a VS Code extension called GitLab Workflow. You can get it in the marketplace. If you're not using it, check it out already. But one of the things that we know is that it's a little bit challenging to get started when you're new to setting up this VS Code extension. And that's because of the way GitLab integrates with it currently, which is through a personal access token. And so when you get the extension downloaded, you have to go and create a personal access token in your account. You have to apply it to the extension, and then everything will work after that. We're going to change this for GitLab.com, and we're going to continue to iterate on this and work to roll it out in self-manage as well. But during 15, we're going to be working on supporting OAuth for GitLab.com. So if you are a GitLab.com user, when you open the extension, you'll be able to authenticate to GitLab.com. Click a button, we'll take you to GitLab.com, ask you to authorize the application. Once you authorize it, you can come back into the extension and it'll already be connected and ready to go. And so this will sort of simplify the steps to do this. And so this is sort of a proof of concept that was done. We'll quickly sort of go through this, and you can see how we allow the extension to use the authentication. We go and we authorize the extension. We ask for the permissions that we need, we authorize, and then you're good to go. And the extension automatically loads into the GitLab workflow area, and everything's connected and ready right there. So this is going to be a huge improvement for new users getting started, as well as existing users if you want to switch your authentication methods over to this. As we continue to expand this into self-managed, we hope this will help make it a lot easier for self-managed users to adopt this as well. So that's what we've got coming up in 15.0 for the code review group. If you're excited about any of these things, let me know. I'll have links to the issues that we've talked about here down below, and also to the 15 planning so you can see everything else that we're working on in code review. So thanks for watching. Bye.